Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another collaboration, and today's collaboration video is also by me, Rukia Laltia, and Husna Laltia. We are going to be showing you how to make different types of meat dishes. I'm going to be showing you how to make mutton curry, and this is what will be up on Rukia Laltia's channel. Please make sure you check it out, and this is what will be up on Husna's channel. I'm going to leave their channel links on my description box. Don't forget to check that out and learn a lot from us. So guys, this is our mutton curry, and I'm going to go straight to the ingredients and show you guys how it's prepared. So guys, on your ingredients, you're going to need onions. I used 2 big onions. You're going to need coriander leaves, tomato paste, you're going to need peas, and over here I have a mixture of tomatoes, green bell pepper, garlic, and ginger. I blended them together. I also have my mutton meat that I have boiled, and I also have potatoes. So guys, the first step, I'm going to oil my pot, and the oil depends on how much you like it, it doesn't have an amount. Then next, I'm just adding in my onions, and I'm going to cook my onions for a few minutes until they are a little bit cooked and they look translucent, just like over here. Then next guys, I have put in my potatoes, and I'm going to mix it together with my onions for it to get that onion flavor. Then over here guys, I have broth. This is the one that came out from the meat that I had boiled. Make sure you use this instead of just plain water, so when you get to boil your meat, keep the broth aside. And over here guys, I'm going to add in my peas, and I'm going to let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes in order for them to become a bit softer, because remember the meat, I had boiled it earlier, so these are the ones that are not like cooked. Then over here, I'm adding in my salt. I used about 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add in more if you like. And I'm just going to mix them together. Then I'm going to cover this and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how our potatoes and peas are looking. They are a bit softer, and the next step, I'm now going to add in my meat. Gently mix everything together so that they can get the flavors together, just like that guys. Then over here, I'm adding in my mixture. Remember guys, I have in here tomatoes, bell pepper, I have garlic, and I also have ginger. I just blended them together. Then I'm going to cover this for about 3 minutes and let it simmer. After 3 minutes, this is how our mutton curry is looking. And over here guys, I have curry powder, I have turmeric powder, I have garam masala, and I have my mixed spices. I'm going to add them in, and I'm going to mix this so that everything can get the flavors together, so that it's not too much flavor on one side. Just mix them properly. And the next step, guys, I'm going to add in my broth. Now I'm going to add in enough to cook my curry, because remember the potatoes are not so cooked. And after a few minutes, this is how our curry is looking. And the next thing, I'm going to add in my tomato paste. I used about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. This will just thicken your curry and also give it a nice color. Then guys, after this, you're going to cover up your curry and let it simmer on really low heat for about 8 minutes. And here we are, guys. The last step, I'm going to add in my coriander leaves, just for the nice aroma of your food and also a great taste. And guys, we are done with our curry. I hope you have enjoyed this video. You can serve this with rice and it's really yummy, it's really tasty. I hope you get to try this. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't. Also don't forget to share, leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is our end product and I hope you've enjoyed. Bye, see you in the next one.